throw away a sweater you don't like anymore. The sleeves can be turned into something totally new. First, cut off the sleeves, open up the sleeve seam and lay it flat. Trim any uneven edges to clean it up. Shape the top into a half circle like this. Do the same on the bottom so both sides match. Find the center point and mark it. From there, draw an upside down triangle shape on both sides and cut along the lines. Repeat the same steps on the other sleeve. Sew each opening closed using small, tight running stitches. Keep your stitches neat and close together so nothing shows on the outside. You can use a slightly longer needle to make it quicker and smoother. Once you're done, tie a knot to secure it and trim the extra thread. The finish should look clean with no visible stitches. Place both pieces right sides together. Leave a small opening so you can flip it later. Sew around the rest to close it up. No sewing machine, no problem. Just use a simple hand stitch, over, under, moving forward in a straight line. If you want it to look store-bought, keep your stitches small, tight, and straight. Old clothes at home can be repurposed like this. Turn them into hats, seat cushions, scarves, pillow covers, socks, or gloves. Even oversized pants can be adjusted at home. Sew all the way around, then tie a knot and trim the thread. Flip the piece right side out through the opening. Close the opening with an invisible stitch. Grab a little from the left, a little from the right, keeping it small and tight. This is the same stitch used to fix holes or open seams. Pull the thread to hide it inside, knot it securely, and trim the excess. Adjust the center, shape it neatly inward, and just like that, you've got a cute new hat. You can even fold up the edge for a brim, wear it inside out or right side out. Both look great. Give it a try.